redemption coming with the tide again. I've been lost in my reflection, trying to find a way back home. Every sin, every reconfession, still the ocean calls my soul. The moonlight whispers to my sky, let it go, you've come so far. And in that sound I find my peace, in every wave just speaks to me. My tears of redemption, wash me clean tonight. Take my pain, turn it into light. Every drop is a lesson I must learn. Every fall, another bridge I burn. Oh Jah, carry me through this sea. Let your mercy set me free on these ways of redemption. I find you, and I find me. The tide pulls me closer to grace. I see your love in every face. Even when I lose my way, your current brings me back to stay. Through the storm I hear you say, son, don't fear, you'll find a way. And though I sink, I rise again. In every tear, there's your name. Oh, Jah. I've been drowning in my doubts, but your rhythm pulls me out. Like the waves crash soft on stone, you remind me I'm never alone. I love redemption, wash my spirit new. Every breath I take belongs to you. Let your fire meet the sea tonight, turn my darkness into light. Oh, oh Jah, carry me through the sea. Let your mercy set me free on these ways of redemption. I'm reborn eternally. Still floating, still breathing on these waves.